In today's modern world, which is characterized by technological transformation and market dynamics, a new product development has become crucial. Most people enjoy taking a taste of something refreshing or treating themselves to something special. Tea is one of the essential needs after every meal or even in the morning, as it not only hydrates but also provides several health benefits that our body need. Butterfly pea and ginger are herbal plants. A different method used in conducting tea in the most frequently used extracted-based supplements. The essential compound is removed to be used either as powder or liquid. However, the method used in processing the butterfly pea ginger tea powder is drying the whole plant to make it into powder. According to August 2019, Clitornia ternate, often known as butterfly pea, is a Fabaceae family perennial herbaceous plant in several colors cover from dark blue to light blue and to white. Scientific name of ginger is known as Gingerbae officinale, and it is a flowering plant with ginger flavor root extensively used as a spice or folk medicine. First is the preparation of raw materials, followed by sanitizing and washing, followed by chopping the ginger, followed by blenderizing the ginger and butterfly pea separately, then extracting. Next is mixing the extracted ginger and butterfly pea with sugar into saucepan. Stir them continuously until it boils and it crystallizes. After crystallization, cool it for a couple of minutes and ready to pack and sealed into polyethylene plastic, and lastly, store them at room temperature.
Table 1 shows the raw materials and quantity needed for the production of butterfly pea ginger tea powder. Raw materials needed were 500 grams of butterfly pea, 500 grams of ginger, and 750 grams of sugar. Table 2 shows equipment requirements and specification for butterfly pea ginger tea. Equipments required were food processor, juicer, and burner. For the food processor, it's 350 watts with 2-speed and pulse. For the juicer, it's high power with 2-speed adjustment. And for the burner, it's LPG and a double ring burner. Table 3 shows utensils requirements and specifications for butterfly pea ginger tea. Instruments required were mixing bowl, sifter, colander, non-stick frying pan, chopping board, ladle, kitchen knives, and liquid measuring cups. Table 4 shows packaging requirements and specification for butterfly pea ginger tea. For the specification of packaging materials, it has 5 by 7 inches. Its thickness were 0.03 and it's a transparent.
Sensory analysis, there is a specific method to be used that it suits in the evaluation. In the sensory analysis, the experimenters will use the acceptability tests of 9-point hedonic scale. According to Mullin 2004, hedonic scale of 9 points with verbal anchors. A mean liking score of 7 or more on a 9-point scale is usually indicative of extremely acceptable sensory quality. Consequently, a product earning this score might be utilized safely as a suitable representation of target quality. This type of test can be accomplished by unskilled panelists. Next, we have the methods experimental treatments. To determine the data values for the acceptability of the product butterfly pea ginger tea powder dissolved in warm water, an appropriate treatments and test was conducted. Figure 2 illustrates the panelist trial flow of the product acceptability. These 8 panelists will utilize a 9-point hedonic scale to evaluate the product from trials 1 to 3. So the panelists assess the characteristics of the product. If the panelists like or dislike the new developing product's appearance, aroma, taste, and overall acceptability, then record the outcomes. Figure 3 shows the line scales for overall acceptance of the sensory evaluation for the product butterfly pea ginger tea powder, which was conducted using the hedonic scale. Based on the figure 3 above, for the first trial, only took less than 15 minutes until it becomes crystallized. Due to the slow stirring while it evaporates, some of it has a bulky size of the powder. However, the product produces a desirable aroma and tastes. Furthermore, in the second trial, the mixture of extract and sugar turns into undesirable color brown because it had been overcooked and the color had gone black as it boils and turns to brown as it crystallizes. Sensory analysis results. So existing commercial ginger tea powder in contrast to our very own butterfly pea ginger tea powder. So after 3 trials conducted from the trial and errors, another sensory analysis was conducted, but this time the innovative product was compared closer to the commercially existing product, which is the commercial ginger tea powder that can be seen in the market by using the acceptability test of 9-point hedonic scale. Table 6 shows the difference between the two products. The first product is the butterfly pea ginger tea and the second product is the commercial ginger tea. So for the table 7 shows the results of the conducted acceptability test for the butterfly pea ginger tea, and for the table 8 results of the conducted acceptability test for the commercial ginger tea. Based on the overall acceptability of the both table 7 and 8, the table 7 has the higher score compared with the table 8. This shows that the panelists gave a better score unlike to the table 8, which is the commercial ginger tea powder.
Benedict's solution is used to detect simple sugars like glucose in Benedict's test. The color of the mixture will change as a result, resulting in precipitates indicating that the results are positive. Water activity, color, and viscosity are further factors to consider. Physicochemical assessment must be carried out on your product. A water activity test will help to assess the amount of water required for the microbe to develop. These procedures will also help to eradicate product spoilage and maintaining food quality and to ensure that there is no contamination. For the microbiological analysis, the experimenter aims to use APC and Salmonella testing to understand more about the product's shelf life and then use the number of colonies or cells on the plate to assess the sanitary quality and manufacturing procedures. The purpose is to analyze the number of viable microbe cells in a particular food sample and to evaluate the quality of the food and to assist safety regarding the raw materials used up to the finished product, because the product is conducted at home to see how the experimenter sanitizes themselves before and after the experiment. Product marketing is a process of introducing a new product to market, identifying its target audience, and promoting the product to consumers. It includes the launch and execution side of the product as well as the marketing strategy for the product. A good marketing plan is full of details. Strategy drives a good plan, programs in details. Also, to enhance knowledge in producing innovative, unique, and marketable products that can increase the probability of consistent sales and profits. The experimenter's marketing approach is to focus on providing powdered tea produced from butterfly, pea, and ginger for consumers who enjoy herbal teas while also guaranteeing that it has a lengthy, stable shelf life up to 9 to 12 months.
Our ideal consumer or target markets are between the ages of 12 to 60 who enjoy drinking tea. These can be easily purchased in any supermarkets and can be consumed conveniently by putting 1 teaspoon of butterfly pea ginger tea powder in a cup and just add warm water. So, customers can be young, adult, male, and female. Other target markets can be students, professionals, or individuals who simply enjoy drinking herbal teas.